Hosa NC3FXX-BAG. Neutrik 3-pole female XLR3F connector with black metal housing silver contacts. This successor of the X series offers several new features which make it more reliable, easier to assemble and improves contact integrity as well cable strain relief. Unique cage design of female contact for low contact resistance and high integrity. Female connector with improved solid metal latch which is larger and easier to handle. Sleek and ergonomic design, valuable and handy. Rugged zinc diecast shell, long-lasting and dependable. Top reviews from the United States. Always a good purchase. We love M, as we make our own cables. We make our own versions of silver and gold quad cables. We use these with a silver Neutrik TRS 1/4 on the other end for our silver model. Less cost overall and these last forever. A great bargain through Amazon.